Hey everyone, welcome to a new painting, I want to recycle. Again I want to use pouring paints. Today I have an old canvas with a size of 20 to 30 centimeters, and as you can see on the back side I have such thumb tags because the fabric is linen, it's not cotton, and that's why it's very soft. And when I would use this container and put the canvas on it, so I would have here an elevation, and the whole paint would flow to the corners and to the edges, and I don't want this. So I use these thumb tags to achieve that the canvas stands straight on the desk. So now to my materials. I want to use pébéo proving medium that I mixed together with white acrylic paint. That's why I have such little cups. Gloves, again very important. Paper towel, of course. Wood sticks. Silicone oil, the pouring paints itself, of course, and perhaps I will use also the steel hair dryer, but this I still don't know. Okay, so again very important to work with open window. So welcome back. Here I present you the finished piece, pouring painting number 2, size 20 to 30 centimeters, and I only used pouring paints by pébéo plus a medium pébéo mixed together with acrylic paint titanium white by Gerstaecker. So this is how it looks like, and as I said, this pouring paints by pébéo from the series Vitrail. This was this black plus this gold shines the most. Then we have this violet one and this turquoise one, eggshell just a little bit. These paints also by pébéo, but from the series Moon. No, sorry, from the series Prisme. That's why they created such prisms. And then here in Ebony and Pearl from the series Moon, right there. And what you also can see, this gold and also this black, they are a bit outstanding, especially the gold one. There's such an elevation to see caused by this paint. But you also see here, for instance, this titanium white acrylic paint and this pouring medium together did not connect it, so the mixture wasn't so good, and these clumps here are from this acrylic paint. Here, this one, also this one is still very soft after 2.5 days of drying time. This is the pouring medium to 100%. As you can remember, I was also just adding this liquid onto the surface of the canvas. And yes, this is still a bit liquid, still drying. The back side here and also here, the 4 times where the some text were. You can see it. Yes, it's on linen. So it's very soft, very, yeah. When you want to paint on linen, you shouldn't use too much modeling paste, crackle paste, whatever, what makes the canvas very heavy. Just as a tip. And yes, this is how it looks like. Very interesting, so many different textures. And yes, anytime it will be for sale on Etsy. So just follow me on social media, and then you will get to know when you can purchase it on Etsy. Okay, so thank you for watching and see you next time.